So here's kind of how we have that lesson 8B described in class. The idea was to make this little thunder logo go through the maze and stop at each point, have them travel to point 1, then to point 2, and point 3, and then out side B, I guess. And what we did is we used the keyboarding trick we learned in lesson 7, lesson 8, the when like the up arrow is pressed, or when down arrow is pressed, when right arrow is pressed, when left arrow is pressed. Again, it's under the when up arrow pressed. You can pick any one you want. I used to use up arrow for up, and I paired it with the change the Y by 10. And for down, it was change Y by -10. Right arrow is change X by 10, and left arrow is change X by -10. So if I use those and I play the code over here, I'm just going to push the left arrow when it moves, right arrow moves, I'm moving the guy myself. I'm going down, 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 up, 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 over, over, over. And we had the class kind of count. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 clicks over, I move 13 of these chunks. I moved 130 total increments. And then how far did I move down? Count them, count them, count them. How far over? How far up? Over and done. Then we took that and made this code over here to make it automate. So here I'm having it repeat the 13 movements of 10 each. That's my over. I'm going in the X for 10. And I'll make then I have a wait in between to make it kind of look a little more automated. If I didn't have the waits, it'd just instantly go from my first line of code to the last line of code, and you wouldn't see the little thunder logo move at all. But adding those wait times in there, then it kind of gives more of the illusion of movement or motion. I'm just going to speed up my wait time so it goes faster for the video here for you. And there we go. So now when I push on start, it'll make my robot move, or my little thunder logo move. So watch. I'll push start, and whoa, there he goes. And so I went through the whole code, got it, and have at the end a little cha-ching sound. Then build a code to go from 1 to 2. And what we did is we unplugged the on start. So this is running again, we start counting again. I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then how far over? How far down? Or you could kind of reuse some of these code links right here, copy and paste them because they're already here. So let's go from A to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to B. And have a sound effect play each zone. Some have a little talk bubble saying, I made it, show up, or maybe a costume change. So that's kind of the basics of lesson 8B.